गाइस, इरफान टाइगर में आया वो चेंज पिछले साल तक एकदम सलमान खान लग रहे थे, अभी सीधा अमोल पालेकर। सुना जा रहा है कि उनकी शादी हो गई है, तो एकदम से पर्सनालिटी चेंज हो गई, चश्मे आ गए, एकदम जेंटलमैन बन गए हमारे इरफान टाइगर। स्पाइस प्लेयर, स्टार प्लेयर इस गेम के। लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। हमारे अंपायर्स ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट में है, लेकिन डिसीजन काफी करेक्ट दिए इन्होंने। आजकल अंपायर्स के लिए भी कलरफुल कॉस्ट्यूम्स आ चुका है, बट ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट इज द बेस्ट थिंग फॉर देम। एक टीम एक जो बहुत ही रंगीन रही है वो केयूर घेलानी की टीम। क्या मैच दी थी, सबसे बढ़िया मैच टूर्नामेंट की। केयूर की जो परफॉर्मेंस थी उनके बेटे के साथ, उसके बाद जो एंड किया था आखिरी गेंद पे छक्का मारकर, दैट वाज समथिंग टू रिमेंबर। ये टाइम फॉर द big clash. The position is the top 4 qualify for the next round. That is how. It's not group stage. It is all considering all the matches. Whoever is in top 4, they have a chance to qualify. So run rate also would be a factor when it comes to the parity of points. Let's see what's going to happen. It is KP. He is due long time. He has been arranging things. Now he has to arrange some runs for his team. Shahnawaz. He understands how magnanimous this match is for him and his team. He starts off with a wide. He goes for the big hit. He goes for the big one. Irfan's there. 1 run on the scorecard. Kishore Parmar, he gets going. He gets his first boundary. He's a great batter. Definitely not a D category player. He's a player with a class batting technique. If he gets going, there would not be need of any other batter. केपी अगर 2-4 ओवर खेल लेते हैं तो मैच में मजा आ जाएगा, दूसरे बैटर्स की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगी। They all know this. शाहनवाज is a good batting team, but उनकी बॉलिंग थोड़ी सी पतली है, उनकी बॉलिंग में थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम है। इरफान के आने के बाद थोड़ी बॉलिंग स्ट्रांग हो गई है, लेकिन दिल स्टिल कपल ऑफ बॉलर्स का टेंशन जरूर होगा उनको। 2 बॉलर्स कम है उनके पास, दे अंडरस्टैंड दिस। Bhavin has bowled a superb first over. After being hit for a boundary, is put under slight pressure. 6 runs on the scorecard. Oh, that is well bowled again. The last ball of the first over. A sixer here will make the over good. In fact, a great one for Tough Addicts. The score moves on to 7. The last ball of the first over. KP on strike. No ball. The last ball just spoiling the over. 8 runs. And this is what KP wanted. He wanted some opening. He has got a big one. 8 runs. That last ball might just trigger some good momentum for Tough Addicts. Very crucial ball coming up. It is a no ball again. 9 runs on the scorecard. He has bowled such a good over. The last ball just spoiling it, killing it. That is in his arc, but missed out on a free hit. The score at the end of over number 1 is exactly 10 runs. A lot of no balls and wides in that over. 10 runs without loss. Both the teams would be happy because Jupiter Blasters haven't conceded a sixer. The Tough Addicts would be happy because they have got a relatively alright start. When it comes to bowling, they look at each other. That is the problem. Batting is not a problem. Shahnawaz is there. Hardik, आज तो चलेगा शायद. He's got both the hands injured. That is the reason they are falling short with that batsman. ये ठीक है? One over 10 runs on the scorecard. KP on strike. Irfan Tiger comes into bowl. A single that will take the score to 11. For the first time, Dada would come on strike after 7 balls. Dada's number is 22. He comes on strike after 7 balls. There is a term in mathematics, pi 22 by 7. मारने वाला 22, भागने वाला 7, 22 upon 7. Dot delivery. Irfan. Dada gets out in the process of fostering the scoring. He gets out on a score of 11. 11 for 1, all ones on the scorecard. 1.2 was 1 wicket and 11 runs. Harsh Sarvaiya comes on strike now. Three balls. The score moves on to a dozen now. Oh, beautifully played. That was very well hit, but an opportunity missed. 13 for 1. White ball. The score moves on to 14. The ball swirling around. Chance. KP is out. Another failure for KP. He's trying too hard. When you are arranging, organizing things, your energy goes completely down. Not possible for you to perform well, especially when you are a part of the organizing team. That takes a lot of your energy, saps you so much that hardly you are able to concentrate on your game. One man who has got complete concentration is the man on your screen, Ritesh. Ritesh and Harish. Let's see what these two guys do. So the score at the end of over number 2 is 14 runs for the loss of 2 wickets. He was made to sit in the first match. He was allowed to play in the second match. And he's showing his colors in this crucial encounter. Just 4 runs by Irfan Tiger. 14 रन हो चुके हैं. Shahnawaz comes into bowl against Harsh. That's a wide to start the third over. The score moves on to 15 now. Stays on 15. Taken. Fails to deliver again. Harsh is out again. It is a no ball. It is the survival match. It is the match which is a must win for Tough Addicts. A must win match even for the Jupiter Blasters. Straight to Bhavin. A square drive for a single. "18 runs for the loss of 3 wickets. And he's playing it smartly. He understands Shahnawaz. Two wides in 2 balls, two extremes. One down the leg side, one outside the off stump. Nicely hit into the deep corner. They take a single. Ritesh Patil. 20 for 3. Another wide that will take the score to 21. The last ball of the third over. It is a no ball. The last ball just spoiling is over. 22 for 3. Opportunity for Pratham to get this inning started. Good reflexes. The score at the end of 3 overs is 22 for the loss of 3 wickets. So 2 dot deliveries to start. Doesn't matter. He understands. Ritesh stays there. They're going to go 70 plus, 80 plus. That can be a good score. Pratham and Ritesh. These are their 2 strongest batters. White ball. The score moves on to 23. Two balls remaining in this over. No ball and a sixer. "30 for 3. A right call. The last ball. Score is 31 now. 31 for 3 with that wide. The last ball of the 4th over. The score at the end of 4 overs is exactly 31 runs for the loss of 3 wickets. They are going along at a rate of 7.75 runs per over. Oh, that's a beautiful hit. Pratham Yadav. That sixer will just give a lot of positivity to Turfedic side. A sixer that will just get the innings going for them. 37 for 3. This man has impressed so much, Pratham Yadav. A good call of wait and no. Oh, shot! On his knees, you are looking at a special player. ये बंदा बहुत बड़ा नाम कमाएगा अपने लिए. He is going to get a lot of name and fame with his batting. He has impressed so much with his batting and bowling this year. 43 for 3. This is even better, but that's out. That was short. 43 for 3. It's going to be Ritesh Patil who has to take care of the last 14 balls. आने वाली 14 गेंदों में उनका कम से कम 36 रनों का होगा. 43 रन बन चुके हैं. कुछ भी कर कर वो 80 के पास पहुंचना चाहेंगे. The score right now is exactly 43 for 5 at the end of 5. 2 overs remaining. Right now everything right for the Jupiter Blasters. And if they happen to get anywhere around 26-27 runs, they'll get close to 70, which Jupiter Blasters can achieve easily. But if Ritesh Patil goes mad, he plays for 2 overs, even 80 runs is possible. He can score 37 runs in 12 balls. Ritesh Patil stays there for 2 overs. Turf Addicts have a strong chance. Jupiter Blasters managed to get him out early. They can keep them below 65-70. Parth is the new man in. Bowler. Vatsal, it is Vatsal Rathod. That is what is Ritesh's job. Ritesh will try and target 5 balls. In 12 balls, he will play a 2 to 3 dot balls, then hit a 6. That is what his plan would be. He will plan to play all 12 balls. 49 for 5. 50 run pure. Wide ball. The ball has pitched behind the stumps. 50 pe 5. Now good bowling, just kept the ball a little short on good length. 50 for 5. Oh, how can you drop him? ये मैच भी ड्रॉप हो सकता है. आने वाले इन 8 गेंदों में अगर ये 5 छक्के भी मार सकता है प्लेयर. दैट काइंड ऑफ अ प्लेयर इज. 8 बॉल बाकी है अभी भी. Still, he had to take that single and keep strike. He would have allowed Parth to go for the last ball. The last ball. He will not go for a single. He will go for a big one. 56 for 5. And that is what he is going to calculate. He would like to come back on strike. And what Parth would think is, I would go for a big one. If I don't get, I'll get a single. 56 for 5. 6 balls remaining. This man can hit 4 sixes in 4 balls. Ritesh Patil can do that. So the match is not easy for Shanu and his men. Ritesh Patil abhi bhi wahan par maujood hai. And Turf Addicts, they can fight back. When it is a matter of survival, Jupiter Blasters, it's not every time that this team has got some fantastic bowlers. Yes, that was the plan, to get him on strike. Now 5 में से 3 गेंदे भी अगर छक्कों के लिए जाते हैं, it's going to get close to 80. If he gets a couple of sixes, 75 is a surety. That's a wide. Oh, he has got him. Ritesh Patil is out. So that is heartbreaking. But right now, यहाँ से प्रियांशु को कुछ करना पड़ेगा. Turf Addicts, in fact, Jupiter Blasters should be very happy. 58 for 6. If they do not bowl too badly, they will not allow them to go past 65. 58 for 6. Oh, what a shot! Priyanshu, fantastic hitting. Playing with complete freedom. He wants his team to go ahead. It's a must-win match for him. Oh, this is even better. Oh, great stop. I hope these two guys are all right. Great stop. Fantastic effort. शायद दोनों ही ठीक ठाक हो. Collision हो गया था वहां पर. Somebody please go. KP. जाइए please वहां पे just check him. There is a spray over here. Please come in. Next tournament onwards, we'll have a physio and a doctor ready so that we do not have any such issues. 65 for 6. You can take a fielder. In a special case, you can allow, I think. I hope he's all right. Forget about the match. His foot is more important. Is he all right? नहीं होगा तो let him rest and not aggravate whatever small little. 65. 65 for 6. 2 balls to go. If they get 1, they'll go past 70. If they get 2, they will go past 75. Even if they get 1, they would be happy. 65 for 6. Oh, that is close. And a good call. Priyanshu is out. He got his bat stuck. एक बॉल बाकी है. Last ball. One ball can decide the fate of the match. If Chinu manages to get a boundary or sixer of the last ball, it might just open their gate for qualification. 65 for 7. The last ball. Rupesh. $66 for 7. The score is 67 for the loss of 8 wickets. Their target is 68. The Jupiter's Blasters have a very strong chance of winning, but a small total can ignite a team which is struggling. Let's see whether they do this and get their winning streak back on track. 68 to win in 7 overs. घेतले त्यांच्याकडे आता देतोय ना माणूस तो मला संध्याकाळी परत त्याचा कॉल आलेला सर आप ही आ जाओ विजय श्रीवास्तवचा मेसेज टाकले 3 त्यांनी मला आप ही आ जाओ मी म्हटलं जो आदमी आपको सजेस्ट किया वो अच्छा है अजित मला विचारले जाऊ का तुला काम सोडायचं नाही त्याचं माझं घरचं एकदम त्याला माहिती आहे मी नाराज झालो मग आमचं आमचं एक दिवशी कुठे घेतलं पंड्या राजेश actually पण ते काम change करायचं त्यावेळी मला सांगितलं मी म्हणलं, काम सोडायचं ना काम आल्यावर कधी सोडायचं काय त्याच्याकडे उरणार नाही काय यायला जायला जाणार हाताने दारच ते लोक देत आहेत ना मला विचारलं मी बोललं तर 5 ते 10 काय झालं ते हरीश पंड्या साहेब आपण घेऊन जातो ना त्याला तो बोलतो बालसुब्रमण्यम सर मोठे 7-8 घेतात त्याच्या नावावर त्याच्या हातात 3000 देतो म्हणजे परिस्थिती काय आहे काय असेल ना आता तो उलट वाढवून द्यायला पाहिजे आपल्याला दर्शन पण मला बोलला खूप पाठवा मी 6,500 गेल्या वर्षी घेतो खूप बी आपल्या मराठी माणसाला प्रॉब्लेम आहे कमी 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 आपण करतो वाढवायचे बेंचेस त्याला मला सोडायचं नाही बिचारायचे 1000 रुपये तरी वाटतो करतात ना मला माहिती आहे ते आपल्यावर आपण कसं ठेवायचं ते काय करायचं अहो ते लोक कमवतात एकदम टॉप क्लास What's the call? He is safe. Dhruv and Keyur, the opening batters, father and son duo. Otosif, that should have been caught. Maybe blessing in disguise. Sometimes some things happen for your good. So twice in 2 matches, Dhruv is run out. Very well bowled. Dada is once again proving his worth with his bowling. Chance! That is his first runs of the tournament. He was out for 0 3 times. He starts off with a sixer. The score moves on to 8. The score at the end of over number 1 is 8 runs for the loss of 1 wicket. हार्दिक 3 मैच में तीनों बार पहले बॉल पे ही आउट हो चुके थे. He opened his account with a sixer. So 8 runs on the scorecard for the loss of 1 wicket. There is a World Cup, in fact India Cup of box cricket on 10, 11, 12, 13. All teams from India are going to play in Nagpur. Avesh is going to play from a team of Gujarat. Unfortunately, we do not have a team from Mumbai. Hopefully next year we'll have one. Yes, good pick up and throw by Tosif. He is in that backward square leg region. They need to. This over is going to be crucial. They have to bowl an economical over. Yes, that is what Harsh can do. Harsh can make this over count. That is his job. Not to take wickets, but to bowl an over of 2-3 runs. They get a wicket. Still no runs. He might bowl and made an over. That kind of a bowler he is. He has not batted well, but he can win the match with the ball in his hand. Shahnawaz comes in. He understands the magnanimity of the game. Rahul is going to run for him. So नंबर 18 के लिए भागेगा नंबर 18. एक ही टीम में दो सेम नंबर के प्लेयर्स, लैबो एंड शाहनवाज. एक ऑल टाइम स्टार, एक हाल फिलहाल का सितारा. चांस! ओह, दैट वुड हैव बीन गेम सेट एंड मैच. ये कैच हो जाए तो शायद मैच भी जीत जाते. वेरी डिफिकल्ट चांस, लेकिन अगर ये कैच बनता तो मैच भी जीत जाते प्रथम. He gets off the mark with a boundary or a sixer. It is a boundary. 12 for 2. 4 balls, 4 runs. On the scorecard. Down. What an interesting encounter. Intricating. It's a wide. The score will move on to 13. Chance of a six. I thought it's going to go straight to the hands. It is another sixer. Not at the middle of the bat, but in the right area. The score is 19 runs for the loss of 2 wickets. शाहनवाज का कैच बन जाता तो शायद मैच भी बन जाता. The equation says 49 runs needed in 30 balls. "30 balls, 49 runs to win." Straight hit down the ground. But that is a crucial wicket. हार्दिक, शाहनवाज पर है तब तक मैच सेफ है. If you get शाहनवाज, tough addicts have a chance. Oh, that was well bowled. Thank his foot, otherwise he would have been in some trouble. 20 for 2. But that's a great call. Umpire has to go and refer because बहुत crucial wicket है. Bat and pad were closer. Catch was a fantastic one, Sunny Solanki. White ball. 21 for 2. 21 धावा 2 गडी बाद. गोलंदाजी मार्कवर प्रियांशु. Oh my God! I would have died for it. I would have died for it in the swimming pool for this man. ये कैच पकड़ लो तो. In fact, it was a difficult one though. Very difficult catch. Away from Darshan over there. 22 for 2. The score moves on to 28 for 2 now. One more ball to go. He wasn't able to score in single match. He is coming good at the right time. Hardik. A single that will take the score to 29, and the equation says they need exactly 39 in 24. It's almost like scoring 10 runs in an over. They wanted to bowl an over like Akash Gurau does. 3 run 4 run की एक over चाहिए उनको. 39 runs needed in 4 overs. 4 over 39 धावा. Twenty-three balls, 39 runs. ये बंदा मैच जिता सकता है. प्रथम यादव. Oh, good take, Sunny Salonki again. 22 balls, 39 runs. Very well bowled. Chance. Oh, so close. Yes, he did the right thing, but that was so close. Fantastic over, getting the team right back into the contest. 21 balls, 38 runs. Oh, what an over this has been. In fact, that's a wide. what a ball, fantastic bowling. प्रथम यादव अपनी टीम को इस मैच में जबरदस्त पोजीशन में लेकर आ रहे हैं. 32 for 2, 36 in 20. They need 35 in the next 19. What an over this has been. Great bowling. 5 गेंदों में मात्र 4 रन. They need an over like this. This will give them a chance to come back into that contest. They need exactly 34 runs in the next 3 overs. Super bowling. Just 5 runs in this over have given them a chance. Chance for Tausif to shine and make his presence count. इन्होंने कितने मैचेस टर्फ एडिक्स को जिता के दिए इस साल. थोड़े महंगे साबित, इनफैक्ट बहुत महंगे साबित हुए. टाइम फॉर हिम टू रिडीम, टाइम फॉर हिम फॉर रिडेम्पशन, टाइम फॉर हिम टू मेक अ कमबैक. Because everybody knows what he is going to bowl. तो उस हिसाब से तैयारी करते. 35 धावा हुए, 18 चेंडू 35 धावा. इनफैक्ट 34, 34 नीडेड. 34 चाहिए, 34 हो चुके हैं, 34 चाहिए. 18 balls, 34. Shanawaz stays, they are going to win this easily. 17 balls, 33 runs. It's going to be a closer match than you anticipate. उतना आसान नहीं होगा ये आगे वाले 33 runs. Still the body language not that positive, but slowly and gradually they can come back. Tough addicts. 13, 16, in fact 17 balls, 33 runs to win. 17 गेंदों में 33 रन. It's a no ball, a big chance. 17 balls, 32 runs to win. That is a telling blow. 16 balls, 26 runs. Fifteen balls, 25 runs. Difference between the number of balls and runs is still of 10. 15 में 25. Chance. No one's there. It is the power play over. That will seal the deal. 14 balls, 19 runs to win. Two balls to go. Thirteen balls, 19 runs to win. Is there any still drama left in the game? Will Shahnawaz ask Labo to stay there? Or will some other batsman come? It is Junaid who is going to come. Shahnawaz यहाँ पर बहुत ज़रूरी था. Because Shahnawaz would have taken them to safely to the victory. अब ये नए youngsters हैं, उनमें कितना patience है? That is to be tested. These guys can score 25 runs in 1 over, but 2 overs and in fact 2.1 overs 19 runs. Do they have the patience and the temperament to finish? 13 balls, 19 runs. Oh, what a wicket! He has got 2 into. Why he did not bowl like this before? 2 overs, 19 runs to win. When he can turn the ball so much, he got it all wrong. He was dishing the balls in front. Twelve balls, 19 runs. They need somebody to bowl the magic over for them. Hardik is still there. Hardik and Rahul. Hardik ki bat chal rahi. Hardik has looked good. He has already hit a couple of sixes. Who is going to bowl? Is it Omkar or Amitabh? It's Omkar. This match over will decide who is going to win and lose. अगर इस ओवर में 6-7 रन के नीचे रन आ जाते हैं, it's going to be difficult in the last over. More importantly, they need wickets. They got a couple of big wickets. Rahul has come in. Oh, Tausif taking one for the team. अंबुजा सीमेंट की दीवार है. Oh my God, this is superb. जो भी तौसीफ के दोस्त है वो ज्यादा खुश है. ऐसे टाइम पे दोस्त ही ज्यादा खुश होते हैं. He is taking for the team. 2 into. दुखता है बेचारेला. 2 into. Fantastic work by Tausif. Taking one for the team. भले 6 के 6 गेंदे गिर जाए, Tausif will still stand there. Oh, this might be a master move. 10 balls, 18 runs. जहां पर वो ऑलमोस्ट खड़ा था वहां पे रुक जाता गेंद. 9 balls, 17 runs. Will he do it again, Tausif? 3 in 3. Not this time. He hits it cleanly. 8 balls, 11 runs to win. The next 2 balls are going to be crucial. Last over में 9 से 10 रन रहेंगे तो मैच में मजा आ जाएगा. Will he stand there again? He is standing there again. He finishes off. In fact, in style, it is just 7 to win now. In fact, 5 to win now. He did not score a run in 3 matches, and he has scored all the runs in 1 match, 36 of them. हार्दिक शर्मा. शर्मा बोरीवली में चलता ही चलता है. Hardik Sharma hitting it hard. Seven balls, 5 runs to win. Oh, he finishes off in style. 2 hits and Hardik gets it done. 42 runs in a match. 3 matches out on first ball. And 3 ducks. And he hits 42 runs in 1 match.